Hello guys, right, this video, let's sort that out. This video is going to help a lot of people sort out windproofing the phones. So a lot of big YouTubers have asked me as well, what's my secret? So I'm going to tell you. Feel free to give me a shout out because this is really going to help. I mean, I've spent so much money on trying to completely block out wind noise, especially when you're on the beach. Like, there's nothing worse than hearing the wind on your videos. So hopefully now you won't have that problem. So I've tried everything. I mean, on some people's phones, if you plug in a deadcat like that, a little deadcat mic, it'll just work. It basically shuts off your microphone on your phone, so then any wind that's blown and it doesn't work. But that's not the case for a lot of people's phones, including mine, which has put me on the quest to block out all wind noise. So I mean, I'm not going to go into too much about, but I tried making my own and threading it through and pissing about, but no, didn't work. Right, yeah, they can just go. So basically this is it, right? Get yourself a decent waterproof bag. You can get these on Amazon. Type that in on Amazon, you'll find it, but it has to be these ones with clips. They're about a £5. Has to be one of them with clips. Yep. So then you put your, I mean, I'm filming off my phone now, so I can't put it in, but right, pretend that's the case of the back of my phone. So pretend that's my phone in the bag. There's my phone in the bag. Then my deadcat is attached to my harness, what I use on the beach, so I'm not going to use that. So for instructional purposes, I'm just going to use this old mic I made out of a sock and headphones. So once you've done that, put your phone in the bag. But before you put your phone in the bag, plug your external mic into your phone. So yeah, that's my pretend phone because I'm using my phone now. So a lot of phones, including mine, if you plug the mic in, it doesn't shut off the external mics in your phone, so the wind noise can still get through. I'm sure a lot of you know what I'm talking about. But if you do this, I mean, you'll still have the perfectly crystal clear sound, but as well as that, no wind going through because it's sealed in a bag. And the good side is you can detect now when it's raining, any weather conditions. That's why on my videos you see me on the beach getting sandblasted like mad. It's raining because my phone's in the waterproof bag, but then I've got my external mic there, so then I've got my crystal clear sound. And then once it's in there like that, it has to be one of these clips though, because if you just get one without, you could risk cutting your mic lead, because it has to be through a little bit. But these clips, just stop it there, so you can see that's sealed. The mic's through. I mean, this isn't the one I use, but there's your mic stuck on you there. And then, oh yeah, but the waterproof bag, it has to be clear on both sides, because otherwise, if one side's blanked out, your camera's not going to be able to go through it. And that's it. That is it. That is the secret to perfectly wind blasted free noises. And I'm going to show you a few examples now of before and after. So yeah, cool. I hope that helped, guys. It's helped me make me videos perfectly crystal clear now. And so it's like the holy grail of windproof noise. So yeah, I really hope that helped. And if you want, I'd appreciate a shout out for it. It's gonna work, guys. No more wind noise for anyone now. Great. Catch you on my next video.
Hey guys, found my next signal. It's an old halfpenny, good condition as well. I'm happy with that.
Oh guys, look at that now. Bloody in the storm a minute ago, it was bloody awful. Oh, I got absolutely drenched. But I've just plodded on, I carried on. And I've been rewarded with one of my favourites. Big fat 1 penny! Yeah, I've not really had anything amazing today, but if I'm finding pre-decimal, I'm well happy.